Hello and welcome. My name is Waleed Mehr. I'm a Microsoft Technical Trainer here to walk through the Microsoft SC-300 Identity and Access Administrator Associate course with you. Picture this. Your workforce is no longer confined to the office. Employees, partners, and devices connect from anywhere, home, airports, coffee shops, and beyond. How do you ensure secure access to your apps and data no matter where the users are? That's where the global access comes in. Built in on zero trust principles, global secure access puts identity at the center of the network security, protecting your resources with adaptive control and real-time monitoring. In this session, you'll discover how Microsoft Entra Global Secure Access unifies internet and private access, giving you the tools to secure every connection, anytime, anywhere. Global Secure Access is Microsoft's Security Service Edge, SSE solution, built on Zero Trust principles. It combines network, identity, and endpoint access control to provide secure connectivity to any app or resource from anywhere. It consists of two main components, Microsoft Entra Internet Access and Microsoft Entra Private Access. The Microsoft Entra Internet Access component secures access to Microsoft services, SaaS applications, and public internet applications. It uses cloud-delivered secure web gateway to protect users, devices, and data against internet threats. The Microsoft Entra Private Access. This component provides secure access to private, corporate resources, whether they are on-premises, in hybrid environments, or across multiple clouds. It extends the capabilities of Microsoft Entra Application Proxy, allowing remote users to connect to private apps without needing a traditional VPN. Access is adaptive and can be controlled per application based on conditional access policies. How does it work? Global Secure Access uses Microsoft's global wide area network spanning over 140 countries and 190 plus network edge locations. This private network enables seamless secure connection for users and devices with real-time monitoring and access adjustment if permissions or risk levels change. With Global Secure Access, organizations can enforce least privilege, explicit verification, and assume breach, the core of Zero Trust. It helps protect sensitive data, ensure compliance, and support productivity by enabling secure access without the friction of the legacy solutions. Let's imagine a sales representative working remotely who needs access to sensitive customer data. With Global Secure Access, they can securely connect to company resources, authenticate their identity, and access data without exposing it to the public internet. Global Secure Access is about enabling secure, flexible, and scalable access for the modern workforce wherever they are and whatever device they're using. And that wraps up this module, Authentication and Access Management Solution for SC-300 Microsoft Identity and Access Administrator series. We explored how to implement robust authentication and access management solutions, configured multi-factor authentication and self-service password reset, apply zero trust principles with conditional access, manage user authentication and password protection, control access to Azure resources. By mastering these skills, you're not just preparing for SC-300 exam, you're equipping yourself to secure identities and empower users in any modern organization. This concludes the session. We encourage you to review the reference modules, check your knowledge with the additional study materials, watch other videos in this course, or search out your next favorite topic on Microsoft Learn at aka.ms/learn. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.